Robo-mechanical wasp. Meet Robo, a mechanical wasp that's just as exciting to build as it is to display. This DIY kit comes packed with over 1,000 precision metal parts, turning your desk into a mini engineering workshop. Whether you're an experienced builder or someone who enjoys hands-on challenges, Robo delivers hours of engaging assembly. With a moderate difficulty level, it offers the perfect mix of challenge and fun without feeling overwhelming. Once fully assembled, it forms a compact 8-inch model crafted from iron and copper, giving it a premium, industrial look. You can choose between a standard version with basic motion or an upgraded model that includes lights and sound effects. The kit also includes essential tools like a screwdriver and pliers, along with interchangeable wings and tail pieces for customization. Robo is Robotic Cheetah. This is a robotic cheetah designed to learn how to run on its own. Developed by MIT, it may not look like a real animal, but its intelligence is what truly stands out. It can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, slower than a real cheetah, but still incredibly fast for a robot. What makes it unique is its ability to learn from every run. Using built-in self-learning algorithms, it continuously adapts and improves based on its environment. Its modular, Lego-like design makes assembly quick and repairs simple, allowing engineers to experiment freely. Instead of rebuilding from scratch, they can easily modify and upgrade different parts. This robot represents a major step forward in robotics, where machines can learn, adapt, and evolve in real time. MX Phoenix Hexapod. Meet the MX Phoenix, a 6-legged robot that moves with lifelike precision. Its spider-inspired design allows it to walk, shift, and adapt smoothly across different surfaces. Powered by a custom-built movement algorithm, every step is calculated for balance and efficiency. Each joint and motion is carefully engineered, combining mechanical craftsmanship with advanced coding. This isn't just a robot, it's a living experiment in motion and control. What makes it even more impressive is its accessibility. The creator has shared detailed blueprints and visuals online, making it possible for enthusiasts to build their own version. MX Phoenix shows how creativity and engineering can come together to push the limits of robotics. Titanoboa Robot. Meet Titanoboa, a massive robotic snake inspired by one of the largest creatures in history. The original Titanoboa measured over 40 feet long, and this mechanical version brings that scale to life. Built by a team of Canadian engineers, it combines art, science, and engineering into one incredible machine. It runs on multiple Arduino Mega controllers and powerful motors that generate significant force. This robotic serpent glides forward smoothly, mimicking the movement of a real snake. On a full charge, it can operate for around 30 minutes, delivering a truly immersive experience. More than just a robot, it's a tribute to ancient evolution and modern innovation. Titanoboa challenges how we think about size, design, and what robotics can achieve. SQR Robotic Rat. This is SQR, a compact robotic rat designed for real-world rescue missions. Built to navigate tight and hazardous spaces, it can go where humans simply can't. Its design is based on real rat anatomy, allowing it to move with incredible flexibility and precision. It can crawl through rubble, climb obstacles, and even recover itself if it flips over. Despite its small size, it can carry its own weight across steep terrain with ease. This makes it ideal for disaster response, pipeline inspection, and industrial exploration. Future versions are expected to include advanced sensors for even more accurate performance. SQR proves that small robots can make a big difference when it matters most. Robo-Tuna. Meet Robo-Tuna, a robotic fish inspired by the powerful Pacific bluefin tuna. Unlike traditional underwater machines, this robot swims naturally, gliding through water with lifelike motion. In early tests, it reached depths of 40 feet and operated continuously for up to 40 minutes. But what truly sets RoboTuna apart is its design philosophy. Instead of fighting water resistance, engineers designed it to work with it, just like real marine life. This approach improves efficiency and opens new possibilities for underwater exploration. Equipped with cameras and sensors, it can capture data, monitor ecosystems, and explore hard-to-reach areas. RoboTuna isn't just a prototype, it's a glimpse into the future of energy-efficient ocean robotics. StickyBot. Meet StickyBot, a gecko-inspired robot that can climb walls with ease. Developed at Stanford, this innovative machine can scale surfaces like glass, wood, and metal without glue or suction. Its secret lies in its feet, designed to mimic the microscopic structure of gecko skin. These tiny bristles create a natural adhesive force, allowing it to grip surfaces effortlessly. Each synthetic fiber is thinner than a human hair, yet strong enough to support the robot's weight. Unlike traditional climbing methods, it leaves no marks and uses minimal energy. This makes StickyBot ideal for applications like inspection, construction, and search and rescue missions. It's not just a cool concept, it's a breakthrough in how robots interact with the world around them. Flying robotic goose. This is the flying goose, a hyper-realistic robotic bird that blurs the line between nature and technology. At first glance, it looks almost identical to a real goose, with carefully crafted details and lifelike movement. Built in Germany, it combines artistic design with advanced engineering. It can stay airborne for 15 to 20 minutes on a single charge. Available in 2 wingspan sizes, it delivers both performance and visual realism. Its hand-carved and painted head adds to its striking appearance. While it may look peaceful, its potential applications go far beyond aesthetics. The flying goose showcases how robotics can seamlessly blend into natural environments. Myposaur robot. Meet Myposaur, a compact robotic dinosaur packed with personality. Designed for interaction, it uses built-in sensors to detect movement and respond in real time. Wave your hand, and it reacts with spins, turns, and playful actions. But what makes Myposaur unique is its emotional response system. If you push it or pull its tail, it reacts with sounds and behavior that mimic real emotions. This creates a more engaging and lifelike experience. Despite its affordable price, it delivers advanced interactivity and smart features. Myposaur proves that robotics can be fun, expressive, and accessible to everyone. SquidBot. Meet SquidBot, a soft robotic system inspired by the movement of real squid. Built using flexible materials, it moves safely through delicate underwater environments. It uses jet propulsion to glide forward, mimicking how squid move in the ocean. While still in development, it has already demonstrated promising speed and control. Its soft design ensures it won't damage coral reefs or marine life. Despite its compact size, it can carry cameras and sensors for research purposes. This makes it ideal for studying underwater ecosystems in a non-invasive way. SquidBot highlights how nature-inspired design can transform ocean exploration. Clapperboard Segment 11, Lumo Robot, 1-minute script. Lumo Robot. Meet Lumo, a smart robotic companion that follows you wherever you go. This self-balancing device blends smooth mobility with intelligent tracking technology. Equipped with an HD camera and advanced autofollow features, It captures stable and cinematic footage while you're on the move. Whether you're creating content or simply exploring, Lumo works like your personal cameraman. No extra help needed. It smartly avoids obstacles and keeps a consistent distance, so you can focus on what matters most. But Lumo isn't just about recording video. With built-in speakers and real-time video communication, it lets you connect with others from anywhere, almost like being there in person. Lumo combines convenience, creativity, and smart technology into one compact and powerful companion. Sea-Doo Switch Fish. Meet the Sea-Doo Switch Fish, a smart combination of a pontoon and a dedicated fishing boat. Built for both comfort and performance, it's perfect whether you're fishing or just enjoying a relaxing day on the water. Powered by a strong and reliable engine, it delivers smooth and stable movement even on longer trips. The 360-degree swivel seats give you complete freedom to cast your line from any angle. It also includes secure rod storage and a built-in system to keep your catch fresh throughout the day. A sturdy canopy provides shade, keeping you comfortable under the sun. With enough space for multiple passengers, it's ideal for family outings or trips with friends. The Sea-Doo Switch Fish brings together comfort, versatility, and smart design, completely redefining the modern fishing experience. Hobie Mirage Passport R. Meet the Hobie Mirage Passport R, a compact and budget-friendly kayak built for serious anglers. Designed with a durable roto-molded hull, it easily handles shallow waters filled with rocks and obstacles. One of its standout features is the innovative kick-up fin system. If the fins hit an obstacle, they automatically fold back to prevent damage, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Despite its compact size, it offers enough space for essential gear and even allows you to fish while standing. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport and control on the water. Whether you're exploring backwaters or calm lakes, this kayak delivers stability and freedom. It's a smart, affordable choice for anyone looking to enjoy fishing without compromise. Minn Kota Raptor Anchor. Meet the Minn Kota Raptor Anchor, a powerful solution for shallow water fishing. This advanced anchor system uses active anchoring technology to keep you locked in position. Its smart auto-bottom mode continuously adjusts based on water conditions and surface type. Whether you're on mud, sand, or rocks, it ensures a strong and stable hold. This means less time adjusting your position and more time focusing on fishing. Control is simple with options like a handheld remote or foot switch. Built for reliability and performance, it's designed for serious anglers. The Raptor Anchor adds precision and convenience to every fishing trip. Meet the Chasing F1 Pro, a next-generation fishing drone designed to take your angling experience to the next level. More than just a drone, it works as your personal underwater scout, giving you a clear view beneath the surface. Equipped with a rotating HD camera, it lets you observe fish behavior and explore underwater terrain in real time. You no longer have to guess what's happening below, you can see it live. Its built-in GPS system remembers your best fishing spots and ensures a safe and automatic return if needed. With a powerful battery, it supports long sessions, so you can explore and fish without interruption. And for those who love to share their adventures, it even allows live streaming directly from the water. The Chasing F1 Pro isn't just a tool, it's a smarter, more advanced way to fish. Meet the Solvimar Aries, a high-performance speargun built for precision and control. Designed for serious spearfishing enthusiasts, it features a uniquely engineered harpoon system. This design keeps the shaft perfectly aligned, reducing wobble and improving accuracy. Whether you're targeting fast-moving fish or navigating deep waters, control is everything, and the Aries delivers. It also includes an advanced trigger mechanism that ensures a smooth and reliable release every time. Its elliptical barrel design enhances tracking, making it easier to follow agile targets underwater. Lightweight yet powerful, it's built for both shallow and deep diving conditions. The Solvimar Ares combines